Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Edgin Lee with a daily update for the S&P 500 index. What a monster freaking gap up it was for yesterday, and it also pretty much almost closed the gap at the same time. I think the S&P just needed this small ABC blue as the way for correction. And we've got probably higher highs and likely all-time highs coming up. The green 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marked the top of wave 3. The small ABC marked the wave 4, the white 4. Now, could this be an A, B, and a C, where it's a bit of an expanded flat? Yes. But it's pretty unlikely for the B to have such a massive gap up in price. That's pretty unlikely. Instead, I believe the price will probably look like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That means that if the price can reach anything of over 28.72, so let's say 28.80, just 20 more points, would enable an all-time new high. And that'll probably be a very good marking. In fact, I'm sorry, I need to move 3 here. No, I'm sorry, no, let's leave it like that. That'll be a very good marking for the top of wave 5. 28.80. From here, it'll probably correct. Maybe it may even touch to the top of the trend line here. And that'll be well into almost a 2900s or so. Okay. But I think for now, it looks pretty bullish to me. Let's look at the cycles. I think from a cycle perspective, that top white trend line is going to be a target at around, in this case, it says 28.58. If we raise this, let's try this again. I think it'll look more like that. Oops. Well, an all-time high will probably be tagged, and then a correction down in coincidence with the 20-week turning down, 10-week, and then the 5 weeks will join to pull it down, maybe back down towards the lower white trend line, which at that time maybe should be at around October, November-ish. So from now until October or so, I think we'll continue seeing higher highs. Again, this A, B, C scenario of an expanded flat type is still on the table. And that means from here we can see a very serious decline back down to the mid 2500s. But that's an alternate. That is on the table. Why? So that we can be aware of it. Awareness keeps the panic away. This kind of awareness will have you take some profits probably out around this zone, or incrementally take profits, especially when you hit a new all-time high. raise some cash so that in the event this happens, you may not be fully out of the market, but you might have, I don't know, 10, 15, 30% of your account as cash so that you can come in and buy while everyone else is freaking out. That is the beauty of taking profits to raise cash. Because then you'll be able to buy back at the terminal phase of this correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 or 5 or 5 of the C. We'll get to that if that happens. Meanwhile, I hope you found this to be helpful. Have a wonderful day.